Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Malaysia Investment. So guys, today I'm gonna share to you how do I place order using Thinkorswim, right? So today I'm gonna share to you how do you sell option, right? So selling option is actually one of the way where you can generate money income, and if you do this consistently every month, so basically you can actually collect premium or collect income from your options trading, and then you can do this as your extra income. Okay, so basically I'm actually logging in from Malaysia, but you know recently Malaysia actually blocked the access to Thinkorswim, right? So one of the workaround that you can do is that you can actually access it through VPN, and I have actually logged in through VPN to my Thinkorswim account. Alright, so now I'm gonna share to you how do I place an order using Thinkorswim Web. Alright, so this is actually not the application itself, this is actually Thinkorswim web based. So basically you just log in from your normal browser. Of course, like I say, you need to log in through Singapore VPN. After you configure the VPN, you can actually log in, and then you select Thinkorswim Web. Alright, so after that you select the symbol. So today I plan to actually sell a put, or rather sell a cash secure put for XLF. Okay, so XLF is an ETF. So probably if you want to reduce your risk, you can always start with a simple XLF. And the reason I choose XLF is because the price value, the share price for XLF ETF is actually $38.21. Alright, and I typically prefer to sell option when the share price is doing some retracement. So you can see today XLF has actually retraced by 0.47%. So typically when there's a retracement, the premium is a little bit higher. Okay, so I can collect a little bit higher premium. Okay, so let us walk through for you how do you sell the cash secure put. So actually first thing first, you need to select the symbol. I have actually selected the symbol. Then after that, what I normally do is actually I sell a long dated expiration option, right? So in this case, I've actually selected July 1st 2022. So it's actually 302 days from today's date. Today is actually 1st September. So if the share price of XLF ETF stay above the strike price I selected, in this case I've selected $36 as my strike price, and then if XLF share price remain above $36, then I will collect the premium about $224 to $229. So anyway, this price I will actually bid later, but what I want to say is that if the share price remain above $36, then I will collect the full premium. Say for example 224, I will collect it in full, right? This is for one contract, right? But let's say the share price goes below $36 by 1st July 2022, then I need to buy the share at $36. For one contract, I need to buy 100 share. So I need to have at least 3. So $36 times 100 is actually 3,600 US dollar. So I need to get ready $3,600, okay, in case the share price goes below $36. But actually because I also collected premium, so it's actually the cost of my share is actually, you know, $33.80, something like that. So I have actually selected this $36. So when I click here, it will actually come out this thing, right? So I'm doing a sell 2nd July, okay, at 36 put, right? Then I decided to change so I'm selected put here, so July 1st, and I decided to sell 2 contract, okay, 2 contract, and then I decided to put the premium, to collect premium, $2.28 per share. So with 100 shares is about $228. So definitely I need to bid for it. But actually you can see, the bid and ask price is actually between 227 to 222 to 227. So probably I need to put 227 at least, right? Then after that, you can see here, sell 1 XLF. I think this is I don't know what is this 100. Then actually 30th June 2022, 36 strike price, put at 227 limit. Okay, I will choose limit order and then a day price, right? So after today, if it's still not filled, then the order will be cancelled, right? So let's click review. Review is actually will show you, sell 1 XLF, 30th June 2022, 36 strike price, put, right? And then so I will collect $227. So okay, apparently when I click review, it changed back to 1, right? 1 contract. So 1 contract will be charged 65-cent commission. So if I select 2 contract, then it will be $1.30 for commission. Then I'll collect $454. Alright, so minus the commission, I will pocket net $452.70 as a credit, meaning I collect premium here. I collect this as my income. Okay, so it's about how many? 200 ringgit, about 1,008 ringgit. Okay, so that is if the share price goes above $36, I will collect full, right? The buying power effect is actually about $1,000. So I will use $1,000, 1090, okay, to earn 450. So it's about 42%. Yeah, ROI. If I do not close this, if I do not buy back to close it, I will collect full by 1st July 2022. Right, so everything looks okay. Then so you can see 2023, 2028 increase really. When I buy, let's click send. Click send. If it's filled, then I will collect the premium immediately lah. Okay, so you click position not yet filled, so it's still no position is 0. So working, so you can see working, is still working here. So it have not been filled immediately. So what I can do is that if I want it to be filled immediately, for the sake of this video, I want it to be filled immediately. So I can actually edit. Okay, so no one want to sell to me after 227. So probably I'll go 225 lah. Okay, put in a mid price. Normally you put in a mid price, you will actually fill faster, right? So again, 225 limit, I can actually 450 minus $1.30 as the commission, so I will pocket this $448, right? So let's click send. Position, okay, so I think it's being filled already, so you can see I have an extra new position there. So you see working is actually 0 here, position is filled lah. Right, so I already have a new position here, and I have collected $400+ lah. All right, so you can see here cost, data, okay. So this is just an extra information. All right, so basically I have collected the premium, and let's look at my balance here. So basically I still remember initially my option buying power is actually 11,000 something. So now because I have a 1 position I sold 1 position, so it will reduce my buying power, so it's actually 20,000 now, right? So that's it guys. So I've actually show to you and a way of how do you do a cache secure put, okay, in Thinkorswim web browser. So probably I will share to you in the future if I want to close this earlier, and then it will show the realized profit, okay. So that's all, guys. Again, if you have learned something for Thinkorswim today, please click the subscribe button so that you will not miss out any of our future video. Until then, please stay safe, and I see you again in the next video. Bye.